In this video, I'm going to reveal 4 more stupid, simple YouTube channel ideas. We're going to look at channels that are already doing it, about how much traffic you could expect if you started today, and the different ways that you can make money. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn more stupid, simple YouTube channel ideas. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and as a successful internet marketer, I've earned money with security cameras, stand mixers, sound bars, microwaves, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want real internet marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already own. Alright, so as I mentioned in this video, we're going to take a look at 4 simple YouTube channel ideas. We're going to look at some keyword research tool that I use to help me determine if it's a good idea or not. And we're also going to talk about some other opportunities to make money. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first one that I want to show you today is actually gifts for. Now, what you see on the screen here, I have gifts for Father's Day, and this obviously is from 2021. Happy Father's Day, by the way. There are 31,000 views from a year ago, and they just put together a list of 5 or 6 best ideas for Father's Day. And one of the cool things with this is you obviously can go past Father's Day. You can do graduation, Mother's Day, for 4-year-olds, gifts for her, gifts for him. You can see that this is searched 11 million times per month. There are over 515,000 keywords. And what I really like about this opportunity is there are a few different ways that you can make money. You can make money with affiliate marketing. That's probably going to be the best way to make money with this. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. For example, if we look at gifts for Father's Day, the links in the description of these videos probably go over to Amazon, and when they click on your affiliate link that you're going to put in the description of your videos, you can make money. And to get started with Amazon or any other affiliate program, you're just going to go to Google and you're going to type in something like Amazon affiliate program. And it's going to take you to the site here where you sign up to become an affiliate. It's 100% free, and you can basically make money. And if you have no idea what gifts you should get for Father's Day, this is what I'm going to recommend that you do. This is a little cheat that can help you get up and running faster. You can spend time doing research and going through all sorts of different blogs and getting opinions from all sorts of websites, or you can say something like gifts for Father's Day, like this. And this is right in Amazon, by the way, gifts for Father's Day. And you can see that there are all sorts of gifts that come up. You can sort by the highest rated, you can sort by price, you can sort by price high to low or low to high. Or if you are interested in a certain niche, maybe you're interested in technology, you could recommend the best tech gifts. And that's even another way to go with this channel. So you could do the best tech gifts for Father's Day and make a complete video about that. Or you can do the best, home office gifts for Father's Day, and you can go that way. But if we look at this, we come back over here, we can do average customer reviews, and you can see that there are all sorts of things that a father potentially could be interested in. You just put together a list of the 5 or 10, and then you can create a YouTube video from that and make money. But I think doing gifts for is a really cool opportunity, because it's an opportunity to make money again and again and again. And you can see, as I mentioned, this is being searched over 11 million times, and there aren't a ton of people doing this over on YouTube. So that's number 1. Number 2 is when is something. Now look at this. When is Mother's Day 2022? This one has 8,000 views from a month ago, only a 1-minute video. This one below it, 41,000 views from 8 months ago. This one below it, 143,000 views from 5 months ago. And these videos are all less than 3 minutes long. And so what you can do, once again, if we take a look here, we can see that when people are asking about different holidays, this is being searched 45 million times per month, 5 million keywords. And if people are asking this type of question, when is Mother's Day, you can make money in a few different ways. Obviously, the YouTube Partner Program. I think this is another affiliate opportunity, because if they're asking about it, the next logical step is they probably want different gifts or gift ideas. And you, once again, just like I showed you, you can go out and find different gift ideas and then put them in the description. And you can even add a call to action. Hey, look, if you want the best gift ideas for Mother's Day, click the links down below, and they can go over to Amazon or Best Buy or whatever it is that you're interested in. Again, you can see this is being searched thousands of times. Look at this one, top 10 Mother's Day gift ideas. Dad Deals 2022. When is Mother's Day? What day is Mother's Day? 2,000 views from just a month ago. And these are actually small channels. These channels either have less than 1,000 subscribers, they certainly have less than 10,000 subscribers, and you can do this too. Just look at a calendar. If you don't know when Father's Day is, you don't know when Mother's Day is, just go to Google and type in, we could type in, when is Thanksgiving 2022? And boom, we've done all the research that we need to do. Thursday, November 24th, and then you can simply create a video answering this question, but it doesn't get much easier than this. And I think the best way to go with this situation is to find different affiliate programs. In the instance for with Thanksgiving, you can recommend maybe different places to eat. You can recommend different like tableware and decorations for the holiday coming up. But if we look at this, once again, I'm just going to paste in when is Thanksgiving, paste it in just like that. And let's take a look at the top result. 12,000 views from nine hours ago. So this shows you that this gets tons of views. Let's see, Platinum Jubilee. A lot of this is off base. May 22 Thanksgiving Praise. Actually, a lot of this is off base. And you could create this video and start getting traffic and, turn that into a whole different opportunity. But number 2 is simply when is, and then insert the holiday season. The number 3 is what is. Yes, you can make a lot of money simply with what is. Now look at this one. What is a prime number? Or what are prime numbers? 90,000 views from 1 year ago. What is a prime number? 220,000 views from 2 years ago. Khan Academy, finding prime numbers. But if we take a look at our keyword research tool, now this is a paid keyword research tool. What is being searched 356 million times per month, 45 million keywords out there. So you can actually do what is and find all sorts of opportunities. So if we come here, and what we're going to do is we're just going to delete prime number, and then you can go through each letter of the alphabet. What is a quotient in math? What is a quirk? What is a QR code? And you simply just answer these questions. What is a whole number? A lot of these are math related, but you can see that there is lots of opportunity, and you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be knowledgeable really in anything. Just do a little bit of research. Like, what is an EIN number? That EIN stands for employee identification number. So they're asking, what is an employee identification number? And you can simply answer these questions. What is an ETF? And these are real easy, simple, and basic. And you're going to pick up a lot of subscribers because these people are probably asking a lot of these basic questions. And there may or may not be affiliate opportunities here. You can sell different. If they're asking about numbers, there are math tables, number tables, things like that you could promote. You could potentially promote different courses. There is some opportunity. You're going to need, in order to make money with this one, you're going to need lots of traffic. But if you're answering these basic questions, you can gain a lot of traffic relatively quickly. With this, it's so easy. You could probably upload 2 or 3 videos per day, and you could ramp this up and start seeing traffic fast. And then eventually you could outsource this to someone in a different country, because basically they're just going to be Googling the answer or the question, and then they're going to make a short video. But you can see that this is actually really easy. What is an oil catch can? You'll look on Google, answer the question, and make a video. But what is really, really easy. After what is, I really like what time is it? Yes, what time is it in different locations? You can see what time is it in Australia. This has 14,000 views from 5 years ago. When is the best time? What time in Australia? This one has 23,000 views from 6 years ago. And these are getting tons of views. Now, there could be a few different schools of thought. If people are asking about what time is it in different locations, they could just be interested in that location, or they might be planning to travel there. If they are planning to travel, you can find affiliate programs like Booking.com, which will pay you whenever someone schedules flight reservations, and you can actually make money. So what I would do is I would join an affiliate program like Booking.com and just add a call to action. Hey, look, if you're looking to fly out to Australia or whatever country it is, click the link below to schedule your reservations, to book your flight. But if we take a look at this, I search what time is it? That gets 12 million searches per month, 151,000 keywords. And we can go through and just basically look up this information over on Google. For example, we'll say, what time is it in Arizona? We can copy this, look and see if people are answering this question over on YouTube and then plug this question into Google and then come back and answer it. You can see this is really, really easy, but you're helping people out. You're saving people time and you're saving people money. So if we paste this in, what time is it in Arizona? That, for example, let's see if that's being searched at all. We're also going to, so look, 1.7 thousand views from a year ago, 1,000 views, 2.6 million views, but this is off base. But you can see here that people are searching this. But what we want to do is we can jump over to Google and we can paste in what time is it in Arizona. And then you can just explain the Arizona time zone and time frame. Look at this. What I would do is I would say Arizona is plus maybe 3 or -3 with the global time codes or time tracking. And it's really as easy as that. Now that you know 4 simple YouTube channel ideas, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.